Nagpa-interview po kayo na ginagago niyo po ako. As a human being, how would I defend somebody na ginagago po ako sa public interview?
There is nothing as West Philippine Sea. Wala po yun.
Hearing someone claim that the West Philippine Sea is merely a fabrication of the Philippine government is a disservice and an embarrassment to their entire party, the organization he belonged to, and even their own family. How can the one face the younger generations today and tell them that our exclusive economic zone to the west of our archipelago is non-existent, effectively giving up the fight to assert their rights as Filipinos in the West Philippine Sea?
Commodore. So kung hindi pa po nakatala, tama po ako, hindi ba?
No, sir.
You are inconsistent.
No, sir. I did not say that you're correct. I will not agree that you are correct. West Philippine Sea is our exclusive economic zone.
Is it not important to you to correct something that did not originate from you?
Why would I even defend you if you're calling me gago? As a commissioned officer of the Philippine Coast Guard, being a spokesperson, calling me mangmang.
Sa totoo lang po, kahit nabasahin mo yung ating mapa or what, there is no West Philippine Sea.
Ito ay atin, ito ay mananatiling atin hanggang nag-aalab ang diwa ng ating minamahal na bansang Pilipinas.
So ang dami, ngayon nagbaba sila sa akin, oh, si Marcoleta, pro-China.